Spruce up your yard with these easy and affordable raised flower bed designs. Creating a beautiful and inviting yard doesn't have to be a daunting task. With the right raised flower bed designs, you can transform your outdoor space into a vibrant and captivating garden. In this article, we will explore various landscaping ideas and DIY projects that will help you elevate your gardening game. From plant arrangement to outdoor decor, we will provide professional gardening tips to make your flower garden a stunning focal point of your home. Raised flower bed designs, aesthetic and functional. Raised flower beds not only add visual appeal to your yard, but also offer several practical benefits. By elevating your plants, you prevent soil erosion and improve drainage, ensuring healthier growth for your flowers. Opt for sleek and modern designs that complement your outdoor decor while providing ample space for your gardening needs. Garden inspiration. Unleash your creativity. When it comes to designing your raised flower beds, draw inspiration from various sources. Browse through gardening magazines, visit local nurseries, or explore online platforms for innovative ideas. Incorporate elements like curved edges, tiered levels, or even recycled materials to add uniqueness to your garden design. Let your creativity flow and experiment with different textures and colors to create a visually appealing landscape. Elevated gardening, practical tips for success. To achieve optimal results with your raised flower beds, consider the following tips. Choose the right location. Ensure your flower beds receive ample sunlight and are easily accessible for maintenance. Select appropriate plants, research the specific needs of each plant and choose varieties that thrive in your climate and soil conditions. Use quality soil and compost. Invest in nutrient-rich soil and organic compost to provide your plants with a healthy growing environment. Implement proper irrigation. Consider installing a drip irrigation system to efficiently water your raised flower beds and minimize water waste. DIY projects. Personalize your flower garden. Creating your own raised flower bed designs not only saves money, but also allows you to personalize your outdoor space. From repurposing old wooden pallets and cinder blocks to constructing raised beds from scratch, there are numerous DIY projects to explore. Get your hands dirty and embark on a rewarding journey of transforming your yard into a beautiful oasis. Outdoor decor, enhancing the ambience. To complement your raised flower beds, enhance the overall ambience of your garden with carefully selected outdoor decor. Incorporate elements such as decorative stones, garden sculptures, and hanging baskets to add layers of visual interest. Consider installing solar-powered lights for a magical evening glow and create a cozy seating area where you can relax and enjoy the beauty of your flower garden. With these easy and affordable raised flower bed designs, you can revitalize your yard and create a stunning flower garden that will be the envy of the neighborhood. From incorporating innovative landscaping ideas to personalizing your outdoor space with DIY projects, the possibilities are endless. Remember to follow professional gardening tips to ensure the success of your plant arrangement and achieve a truly inspiring garden design. So roll up your sleeves, let your creativity shine, and transform your yard into a flourishing oasis of beauty and tranquility. A beautiful and well-maintained flower garden can add a touch of elegance to any outdoor space. If you're looking to enhance your yard and unleash your inner gardener, consider incorporating raised flower bed designs into your landscaping. Not only do these elevated gardens offer numerous benefits, but they also provide an opportunity for creativity and DIY projects. In this article, we will explore a variety of inspiring raised flower bed designs, offering valuable tips and tricks to help you achieve a stunning garden design. Maximizing space with tiered beds. One of the key advantages of raised flower beds is their ability to create depth and dimension in limited spaces. Tiered beds can be a fantastic option for those looking to maximize their garden area. By using varying heights, you can create a visually appealing arrangement while allowing different flowers to thrive in different levels of sunlight. Incorporating vertical gardening. If you have limited ground space, consider adding a vertical element to your raised flower bed design. Vertical gardening not only adds a unique touch to your garden, but also provides an opportunity to showcase a wide range of plant arrangements. Utilize trellises, hanging baskets, or wall-mounted planters to create a stunning display of cascading flowers on vines. Creating beautiful edging with stones or bricks. To give your raised flower beds a polished and professional look, consider incorporating edging materials such as stones or bricks. Not only do they provide a defined border for your garden, but they also help retain soil and prevent erosion. Experiment with different textures and colors to add a touch of personal style and complement your overall outdoor decor. Adding functionality with built-in seating. Transform your raised flower beds into a versatile outdoor space by integrating built-in seating options. Whether you opt for a bench-style design or incorporate seating walls, adding seating elements not only allows you to enjoy your garden, but also creates a welcoming ambience for guests. Choose weather-resistant materials and cushions to ensure durability and comfort. Embracing sustainability with compost bins. Raised flower beds provide an excellent opportunity for sustainable gardening practices. Consider incorporating a compost bin within your raised bed design to recycle organic waste and create nutrient-rich soil for your plants. Composting not only reduces waste but also promotes healthy plant growth and reduces the need for chemical fertilizers. With these easy and affordable raised flower bed designs, you can transform your yard into a stunning oasis of color and fragrance. Whether you're an experienced gardener or a beginner, these landscaping ideas offer endless possibilities for creativity and DIY projects. By utilizing tiered beds, incorporating vertical gardening, adding beautiful edging, integrating seating options, and embracing sustainability, you can achieve a professional and aesthetically pleasing flower garden design. So, roll up your sleeves, gather your gardening tools, and get ready to spruce up your yard with these inspiring raised flower bed designs. Happy gardening!